My name is Lucia Gladys Comfort Consolate. The most important thing for me to learn in school is to learn how to read, write, count, and getting knowledge from subjects like social studies, English, science, and mathematics.
My name is Magoba Victor. I am in P4. My dream for the future is to be a lawyer. I need to learn SST to achieve that dream because it's about politics and environment.
My favorite subject is mathematics because it teaches me how to count.
This is an example. Like we are going to spell the word can. We are going to spell the word can. How many letters make the word can?
3 letters.
What are those letters?
C-A-N.
Okay. It doesn't matter whether you pick letter N or letter what, as long as you have picked the 3 letters. Organize them. When you get the word, stand. Letter C, letter A, letter N. One can read the word can. After a year and a half of COVID lockdown, we realized that most of our pupils had fallen behind on their basic reading skills, especially in primary 4. So we decided to work with them in making their own reading materials like reading cards, alphabet, sound, and syllable cards. This way, children were involved in creating their own solution, which made them embrace the learning process.
I have learned how to share, and I have learned how to make cards and words like sorry, forgive, undisciplined, polite, thank.
I have learned how to speak English. If I were a teacher for a day, I would teach children to be polite and always listen to their elders.
If I was a teacher for a day, I would teach children to use polite language.
I would like to change the environment by planting flowers to make our school beautiful.